Every year in my German classes, I run into the same problem. Year after year, my students make the same mistakes. I'll ask something simple like, Was magst du am Wochenende? And they will answer with the nails on the chalkboard answer of, Am Wochenende, ich gehe ins Kino. Did you hear what they did wrong? If not, maybe you're making the same mistake. This is by far one of the most common mistakes amongst all German learners from A1 all the way up to B2. Once you fix this error, every sentence that you say makes it cleaner, clearer, and more natural. Let's look at this misshapen IKEA shelf of a sentence again. Am Wochenende, ich gehe ins Kino. This weekend, I am going to the movies. As an English speaker, it makes sense. It has all of the parts of a good sentence, a subject, a verb, and some other information. The subject is the one doing something in the sentence. Ich. The verb is the action that's happening. In this sentence, gehe. Am Wochenende represents the time part of the sentence, and ins Kino represents the place or destination. Regular word order requires us to use the subject first and the verb second. After the verb, the other word order is time, manner, and place. So our original sentence with regular word order would be Ich gehe am Wochenende ins Kino. I am going to the movies this weekend. In English, when we move the time to the front of the sentence, we simply separate it with a comma and the rest of the sentence stays the same. I am going to the movies this weekend. This weekend, I am going to the movies. In German, the verb is in a fixed position. In a simple sentence like this one, that position is number 2. This means that no matter what you start the sentence with, the subject or the time, you need the verb in second position. For example, Ich gehe am Wochenende ins Kino. I am going to the movie theater this weekend. Am Wochenende gehe ich ins Kino. This weekend, I am going to the movies. Notice that I didn't say that the verb was the second word. I said it was the second item or part of the sentence. In this case, there are 2 words that count as time. Am Wochenende. While there are 2 words, this is only one item or one part of the sentence before you get to the verb, which is in position 2. Let's try some other examples. We'll start with the regular word order with the subject first and then switch to the other version where some other element is in the front and see how that changes our sentence. Ich bin heute müde. I'm tired today. Heute bin ich müde. Today I am tired. Besucht uns morgen. He is visiting us tomorrow. Morgen besucht uns. Tomorrow he is visiting us. Ich mache nach der Schule meine Hausaufgaben. I do my homework after school. Nach der Schule mache ich meine Hausaufgaben. After school, I do my homework. Here we actually have a bit more flexibility. You can swap nach der Schule and meine Hausaufgaben. Then the sentence becomes Ich mache meine Hausaufgaben nach der Schule. I do my homework after school. Wir fliegen am Donnerstag nach Frankreich. We are flying to France on Thursday. Am Donnerstag fliegen wir nach Frankreich. On Thursday, we are flying to France. If you want to emphasize the destination instead of the time, you can say Nach Frankreich fliegen wir am Donnerstag. We are flying to France on Thursday. Viele Leute trinken Kaffee in Deutschland. Many people drink coffee in Germany. In Deutschland trinken viele Leute Kaffee. In Germany, many people drink coffee. As a general rule, you can't add more than one element before the verb in a German sentence, but this one's a bit of an exception because we can stack items if they describe each other. For example, if I wanted to say many people in Germany as the subject in German, I could do that as the in Germany part acts as a modifier that tells us more information about the people. The full sentence becomes Viele Leute in Deutschland trinken Kaffee. Many people in Germany drink coffee. Now it's your turn. Tell me your plans for the weekend in German in the comments down below. Start some sentences with the time and others with the subject, and I'll let you know how you did. If you want guided practice on word order and a lot of other grammar topics, take a look at my Deutschlerner Club. It includes an A1 and A2 course, plus lots of additional lessons with explanations, exercises, and worksheets to help everything stick in your brain. You'll find everything linked in the description or right over here on screen. Das ist alles für heute. Danke fürs Zuschauen. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss!